Welcome back, everybody. This video we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting, multiplying radical expressions. Now, radical expressions you can sort of think of as variables. In order to add or subtract a rational expression, the radical or the square root symbol has to contain the same number. You can sort of think of this problem as 5x plus 1x minus 2x. We would just combine like terms, and 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. But instead of x, we have square root of 7. So this is going to be the same thing as 6 square root of 7 minus 2 square root of 7. 6 minus 2 is the 4. When adding or subtracting, make sure the radical sign is the same. If it's the same number, it's okay to add and subtract. Works similar to like terms, as we say. Now, if they're not the same, then we have to break down and simplify each expression. All right, 2 square root of 28 minus 5 square root of 63. We cannot subtract these two terms the way they stand now, and that is because they're different numbers under the radical sign. So let's rewrite 28 as 4 times 7. Let's rewrite 63 as 9 times 7. Rules of square roots, we can break up products. This will break up into square root of 9 times square root of 7. The square root of 4 is 2, so here we're going to have 2 times 2. Notice the original 2 here carried through. That's square root of 7. Then we have 5 times square root of 9, which is 3. And then square root of 7 is there. We're going to multiply the 2's and get 4 square root of 7. We're going to multiply the 5 times 3 and get 15 square root of 7. 4 minus 15, negative 11. Negative 11. Final answer, negative 11 times the square root of 7. All right, another one here, 7 times square root of 27 plus 5 times square root of 48. Let's rewrite square root of 27 as 9 times 3. We're going to rewrite 48 as the square root of 16 times 3. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 times this 7 is 21. So this simplifies to 21 radical 3. The square root of 16 is 4. 4 times this 5 will yield 20. So we have 20 square root 3. We can now add them together because they have the same radical. 21 plus 20 is 41. All right, then it comes to multiplying. When you multiply radical terms, it's okay to multiply if they're different. So 4 and the 32 and 2 getting multiplied here, 32 times 2 is 64. And coincidentally, the square root of 64 we can find to be 8. So we're left with 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So we're lucky here. This simplifies to a whole number. All right. Now, when you have different terms here, we got 28, 27, 5. Certainly one way to do it would be to multiply all the numbers, get a large number, then we're going to break down that large product until one of the factors are perfect squares. That's one way to handle it. Another way is to simplify on the spot here. So let's rewrite 28 as 4 times 7 because we can break that down. Let's rewrite 27 as 9 times 3. And the square root of 5 here is going to stay put. All right, the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 9 is 3. All right, we're going to have 2 times 3 to get 6. We're going to multiply the 7 and the 3 inside the radical to get 21. And we're still multiplying by square root of 5. All right, so 6 is by itself. We got that, and then we can go ahead and multiply 21 times 5 to get 105. 105, yeah, it is divisible by 5. Unfortunately, no other factors of 105 simplify, so this is in fact our simple answer here. 6 times the square root of 105. Hope this helps. Hope this helps clarify some operations with radicals, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Thank you for watching.